Good morning everyone, welcome back, and today is the 26th of October 2021. So today I'm going to discuss a strategy that can return 100% on Tesla in today's market. Right now if we look at Tesla is about $1,080. So can we still have a strategy that returns 100% by investing in Tesla? Let's go on. So what is this 100% return strategy? What is the time frame? The time frame we are looking at is 2 years from now, 19th of January 2024. Right now is 2021, so that is about 2 years and 3 months or thereabout. The stock that I'm using is Tesla, and the capital I'm going to use is $10,000. So what can $10,000 do? You can probably buy 10 shares of Tesla at the current market price of 1050 when I'm creating the slide. So the cost will be about 10,500. And to achieve a 100% return, Tesla will have to go up to 2,100 by 19th of January 2024. Is it possible? Maybe, but it is not impossible to go beyond 2,000 with what the analysts have predicted. So Tesla up or down? Based on the current price of Tesla at 1,050, what will Tesla be in 2 years time? So I make it very simple for you. Will it be above the same price as it is now, or will it be below? Remember, Tesla is at 1,050. So 2 years later, do you think Tesla will be better or will it be worse? And I make it easier for you. Will Tesla be above 1,000 or below 1,000? So right now, I'm giving $50 of buffer to Tesla. Will Tesla be above 1,000 in 2 years time? So if you have the answer and you believe that Tesla is going to go up within the next 2 years, then this trade is for you. So what is the trade setup? With the Tesla at current price, I'm going to buy a deep in the money 800 call that expire 19 January 2024. At the same time, I'm going to sell one LEAPS option that is at or slightly in the money. In this case, I have picked a 1,000 call with the same expiry. And here is the actual trade. I'm long 800 call at 410.31. So I'm short 1,000 call at 316.15. So my total debit for this trade is 94.16 or $9,416. So this is my debit for this trade. And if you go on to the Thinkorswim platform, so this is a trade that I just do. So Tesla, I bought the 800 call for this amount and I sell the 1,000 call for this amount. So that brings us to a what if scenario. So in 2 years time, if Tesla is above 1,000, you earn 100% on your return. In fact, my investment is 9,004 because this is a $200 spread. So in 2 years time, if Tesla is at 1,000 or anywhere above 1,000, this long option will be worth 200. And this short option, if it is at 1,000, then it will expire worthless. Or anything above 1,000, that's fine, because I'm going to lock in at least $200 profit. Then I would have made 20,000 on this option, minus away my debit of 9,004, I would have made about 10,500. That is how you achieve a 100% return. What happens if Tesla is between 900 to 1,000? Then you make some money, depending on where Tesla is at the end of the option expiry. If Tesla is between 800 to 900, then you are going to lose some money. Of course, depending on where Tesla is. If Tesla is below 800, you lose everything. So now the next question is, do you believe that Tesla will be above 1000? Or in fact, will it be above 900 or below 900 in 2 years' time? Remember, Tesla is a EV company, electric vehicle, and EV is still very new in this stage. I believe that Tesla will be up in the long run. Of course, in the short term, I really can't tell if Tesla is going to make a correction from the price right now. Would there be a minor correction to 900? Or would it hold above 1000? But in the long run, I believe Tesla will go up. So I still own 30 shares. In fact, I just added 10 shares on last week. Today is the 26th, so last week I added 10 shares of Tesla at 864. When I added Tesla at 864, it was the high at that time. Of course, 1 week later, Tesla has gone up even higher to 1081 now. Let's go back to our case study. So the frequently asked question is this possible? Yes, this is possible. And I have done a live trade on it. Do you have to wait till January 2024? No, you can exit anytime you want. But the profit won't come that fast because we need to let the time decay kick in. Can you cut loss if things get bad? Yes, you can close the position anytime. In fact, I open the position, I can close it. But bearing in mind that this is LEAPS option, so when you're trying to close a LEAPS option, the bid ask is pretty wide. Now the next thing I want to do is, let's take a look at the risk graph of my position. The today trade that we are talking about, buying a dip in the money 800 call and selling the 1000 in the money call. If we take a look at Tesla, sorry, I should go to the Analyze tab. Okay, taking away my 30 share, so I left with just this one long and one short. This is the risk graph. This is the current market. And I just opened the trade today, 26th of October. I'm not looking at any of this short-term gain. That means right now I'm making $300. I'm not going to exit because I'm going to hold this trade. I'm not going to hold until January 2024. That is not my objective. My objective was to make 50%. That means right now I invested 10,000. If I can make 50% before January 2024, I will exit the trade. So this can happen maybe half a year or 1 year down the road when we look back. If I can achieve 50% return by next year, then I have hit the promise that I say 100% return strategy in 2 years. So if I can hit 50% in 1 year, that's fulfilled. And the strategy will be on track because for 50% return in 1 year, that is equivalent to 100% return in 2 years. This is the original time frame that I'm using. So with that, what I've done is I have put in a GTC order. So right now I have a GTC order to sell away Tesla at $150 because I pay $94.16. So by selling at $150, I will have gained 50%, and I leave the trade as a GTC. So we'll see how it goes, but I'm basically pretty bullish on Tesla. I mean, in the next 1 year or 2 years. I'm not looking at any of this short term. I mean, short term wise, maybe Tesla will drop below 1000. Nobody really know. Or maybe Tesla will go to 1002, and then you have realized that you have just missed the boat on Tesla. You miss it when it was at 200. You miss it when it dropped to 500. And I also miss it because if you look at my Tesla trade, I start buying Tesla. In fact, it is in last year December. That's when I start to buy Tesla. When I buy, it was at 630, and then I add on at the later stage at 660. Subsequently, I add on at 857 before the market come down, and I held on to the share. Last week I added 864. So right now my average price for Tesla is 783, but I only have 30 shares. So I can't do a covered call. So what I'm doing here is basically a in the money covered call. So some people like to call it the poor man covered call. You can call it that. Or some people like to call it a LEAPS option, LEAPS debit spread option. Yes, that's not wrong also, depending on the way you look at it. But option is just a buy leg and a sell leg, but they have different names and different terms for it. So this is it. This is my strategy for 100% return on Tesla. If you have missed the boat on Tesla, you still have a chance to get back in Tesla and make a 100% return. If you like the video, please subscribe and share. Thank you, and I will see you on the next video pretty soon. End of the month, I will do an account update.